Hey, it's Sunday's cleaning day, so here is a quick video about my pajamas, because Mad Simple asked on that other video if I had a new onesie. No! Sumikko Pyjamas! So yeah, this actually came from, I think, Daiso in Japan as a set. They came in this cute little bag. Hang on. There we go. Someone is walking around, which is not really good for me. As I was saying, they came in this cute little bag, Sumikko Gurashi. Now it's missing Tokage, which is my favorite one, the lizard dude. But, you know, cute anyway. I like them because they're like, well, you know, the way my family translates things. I think Mum translated it for me as like corner creatures. And, you know, it was kind of cute, especially at the time. So these are the ones that I would usually wear in winter. Oh, cute, grey, but also it's like, sorry, I know the zooming is mucking with the volume. I'll try and fix that in post. But yeah, like it's not too thick. You can see like this fabric. Oh no, it's not too bad. So it's fine for an Aussie winter. But usually these fluffy ones, which like super fluffy, look at that. Like they're still not hugely thick, but they're definitely fluffier. And you've got your little pocket and yeah. Yeah, little dudes with a little tapioca on top. Yeah, this winter, like usually I don't wear them because they're just too hot for Aussie winter. But this winter has been cold and so I have been wearing them. And every Sunday I switch which pajamas I've got, so at least I keep washing them, which is better than what I used to do. So I'm sort of going between grey and yellow. But in Japan, actually how I bought them and how they were on display is you have these ones, the sort of grey, thinner ones, you have them inside, and then you have the yellow ones outside, so you're wearing both. I don't know if any of my Japan vlogs showed me wearing that, but in Japan, because it gets below 0, even with heating in the house, yeah, extra layer of pajamas. So here in Australia, I alternate. In Japan, I wore them together. And there you go, that's my incredibly insightful vlog about my Sumikko pajamas. I've got to get back to cleaning. Triton is in his crate and probably a bit unhappy with me, and I've still got to vacuum. I've cleaned my bathroom, which is why you can hear the noise going of the fan. I have one of those lights is a heating one, and it is broken. And I just can't be bothered. I think last time Dave got it out for me, and he doesn't live with us anymore, so yeah, anyway. No, I've got to vacuum, and then I've got to let Triton out, and then we've got to go for a walk. Yes. Anyway, short, pointless vlog. I might take a break from vlogging until I get this merch store migrated, because I'm struggling to focus, and so, you know, if I'm making vlogs, yeah, I've only got a few more days before they permanently close my old merch store, so I better get on to that. So please excuse I don't even know if I'll do shorts, although world events are kind of fun, and it's, you know, if you watch my one where I talk about Biden, it's actually, shorts are really amusing because you get those kinds of trolls who you can tell, like, don't watch past the first 2 seconds, or don't watch to the end, or don't have a sense of humor and don't know that I'm actually insane. And then also, I think the reference to sausage sizzles is probably vague for anyone who's not an Aussie. Maybe one day I can tell you guys what went down there. Have you heard about the Onion as well? Because that was pretty bad, the Onion incident. Some of our politicians are clearly not human. Anyway, I'm just filming like blankness, because then I can put up some cards and you can watch some other videos. And join my cult on Patreon and stuff. Anyway, I better go.